Currently we've recycled around 6,000 tonnes of recycled glass, which is about 30 million recycled glass bottles. And you see that in our asphalt pavement behind us here. The Albion Park Rail Bypass is a location in the Illawarra region, south of Sydney. The decision was made to bypass Albion Park Rail. About 75% of it travels through a floodplain. So because it's a low-lying area, we weren't able to extract enough material out to create the bypass. That kind of led us towards recycled glass in lieu of using sand. So you've got 25% of sand that is used into asphalt. We substitute straight out and use recycled glass.
As engineers, we should always be looking for materials that are fit for purpose, that reduce the environmental impact associated with what we're doing. In terms of using glass in asphalt, really we get the double win where people are recycling from home, and that material can be reused for things that society use every day, like a road.
So Transport for New South Wales played a key part in recycling glass bottles into their infrastructure projects. By Transport supporting us into this endeavour, it's seen washed sand that would have normally have ended up in landfill has gone into their local infrastructure projects. It does make me feel good. It's good to know that you contributed to a really good environmental project in that we've taken something that would normally have ended up in a landfill and put it into a vibrant new project for the whole of the community.
Sand is an essential building material which we use in asphalt, concrete and most other construction materials in the civil industry. By using glass sand, we're helping preserve the environment that the natural materials are otherwise taken from, and we're creating a really sustainable market for future road building opportunities.